Well, the decision on millions of dollars worth of water park equipment will have to wait for another day. Tonight, the Fort Smith Board of Directors decided to hold off on a vote. They were set to decide whether the city should take full control of Parrot Island Waterpark. Instead, they decided to study the situation a little longer before voting. For much of this year, slides and other equipment to expand that park still sitting on the ground, yet to be installed. An initial bid to construct it all was much higher than expected, prompting part of that delay. Well, tonight the board opened the floor to citizen input over whether the city should acquire the park. Some in opposition, they feared that would drain money that could go to other places to help the city.
That's a huge amount of money for us to spend in the city. We have people in the city who can't afford to have their meals. You know, we have a food crisis in the city, believe it or not, and people can't afford meals. So we need to spend that money on something where we can feed everybody in the whole city 5 times with that money.
Of course, we'll keep you updated on the progress in the months to come.